how-to video to submit dues to Louisiana PTA, start to finish. So I'm going to try and do as much as I can using Leroy Junior PTA. So where I'm going to start is go to the website address, as you can see up here. You're going to go to npo.givebacks.com and you'll log in with your email that you've registered with Louisiana PTA. Then you'll have different causes. If you have multiple PTAs, that will pop up right here. So you will choose your PTA. So if you're not registered with Louisiana PTA, if you're not linked to a PTA account through Givebacks, that means you haven't registered with us. And so to do that, go to louisianapta.org/register, and we will add you to your PTA page. So for Leroy Junior, when you log in, it'll bring you to this dashboard page. And if you go under memberships, members, so they have members that have been entered in. I'm going to assume that you do not have any members currently added if you're not using the website directly to get memberships, and maybe you've done it outside of Givebacks. The way that you do it is you click these. So again, I'm over here on the left side menu, members. And the first thing I'm going to do is actually go to membership products. So you need to make sure that you have your membership products published. So over here, you would edit publishing. They have these first three already published. If they wanted to have, or if they offered a business, they would come over here, edit membership, and publish now. Well, let me go ahead and do it so y'all can see. Edit membership. You enter in the different details, and then schedule publish or publish now. So you would save draft, publish now, so that when you come back to your membership products, it would say published. You can also add your own custom membership products. You would click new membership product. Again, enter in the information. If it's maybe a couple for two people, you would enter membership name here, like a couple. Select the category, would be memberships. You would enter the price, say it's $18 for two people, and then number of members, you would put 2. So that means when somebody purchases this type of membership, the amount that's paid to Louisiana PTA total is $9 for the 2 members. And then it will automatically ask for the full name, phone, and email for both new members when they choose that type. So I am not going to save that. Okay, so once you have your membership types published and set over here, you enter in your price as well. All that's edited. You go to members. So they already have memberships entered into here, but let's pretend like they don't, or they have to enter in. All right, so you click on the 3-dot menu, import members, or add cash check members. This is if you want to enter in one at a time. Import members is if you have a spreadsheet. So when you click this open, you want to click download template. It is saved in the CSV file format, comma, separated something or other. So under save as, just to show this to you, you need to have it with this CSV extension and not the regular XLSX Excel workbook type. So this is how the information needs to be uploaded. First name, last name, email, phone, member type, school year ending. So this will basically be 2026 for everybody. If you don't have a unique email for each person, then basically what you have to do is make up an email. So username, spell it wrong. So like, all right, I'll do myself, Beth Mailo, and for my email, I'm going to say googlygob334 There's no way that will be created by some other type of person. Phone number, member type. All right, this is where in this column the errors come about. Your member type has to exactly match the membership products that you have listed on your page. The only things that can be listed in that category, it has to be exactly the same. Capital P parent / capital G guardian, capital F family, and then faculty / staff. It has to say that type of membership, whatever it is that you have published. So back into the spreadsheet, we'll write faculty / staff, if I remembered that correctly. Yes. If you've already got your spreadsheet and you have all of your information in here, and instead you have your listing says staff with a lowercase s, a quick way to do it, go to find and select, replace, and you would type staff and then replace with faculty / staff, replace all, and it'll do it in one click. So that goes for all of your membership types. This is super, super sensitive. It has to be entered in this way to exactly match your membership type products. All right, so save your file, and then when you go back to givebacks, we're under memberships members, and we click those 3 dots and we click import members. We've already downloaded the template. We don't need to do that again. So check these contacts are expecting to hear from my organization. The list was not purchased. I'm going to enter in the initials, add CSV, and then I will go to my file, upload. It's listed here, and then I'm going to click import. So I just added my membership to their membership types. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to delete my record real quick. Void membership so I don't mess up their totals. So that is how you would manually upload a spreadsheet. The other way, add cash check members to do it individually. Student memberships do not require emails. So you would select the membership type and then the other details, etc. And you can enter those in manually one by one. So now when I go to remit state dues, so it tells you right here how much money is owed to Louisiana PTA. And just to explain again, Louisiana gets $1.25 per member, and then we forward on your behalf $3.25 per member to National PTA. So there will be a different button right here. You have to be the president or treasurer for each organization to be able to submit membership dues. So I don't have access to Lee Road Junior High because I am not their president or treasurer. I am listed under Lanyap. So let me see if Lanyap has any dues that are owed. So memberships, remit state dues. You owe $36 for 8 members. How do I pay? Okay, so now I have send manual payment. So this is if you were to mail a check to us, please do not do that. So we're going to send ACH payment. That's an electronic check. When we click on that, this account has already been set up. So it's just a matter of clicking authorize, confirm, done. There is an initial account setup that it will walk you through the steps. Make sure that your GiveBacks account has the Stripe account set up. When you log in and you have your dashboard, it'll be this first option right here. So you have two accounts that you need to set up. The first is the Stripe account, and then the second is going to be when you go to submit dues to Louisiana PTA, you'll have to set up this checking account system as well. Then once it's done, it's just the click, ready to go. If you keep having issues or have questions, you can email us, president@louisianapta.org, or Peggy is membership@louisianapta.org. I know the initial setup is kind of irritating and different and can be picky with the membership type is really important. When you upload a spreadsheet, you get an email confirming to the email that you're logged in under with givebacks. It goes to that email that will say how many memberships were properly, successfully uploaded, and then if there were any that were rejected. So they can be rejected if there's a typo in an email, like it doesn't like the format, like you don't have an @ symbol in it or something like that. And it will tell you why. So look for that to see if you have any that were rejected that need to now be entered in properly, maybe by hand in that 1-by-1 fashion. And if you have any other questions, let us know. I think once you get the process set up that you'll be happy with it, and it's relatively easy. And I appreciate all your hard work. Thank you.